Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Dolls and Daydreams. I wanted to take this moment to talk about some of our Christmas patterns. Um, every year I do like to try and add to the range, however, I haven't been too well, so I haven't been able to add anything. We have lots and lots of wonderful festive goodies for you to look through and start sewing and get into the Christmas and festive holiday feelings. So we have a number of elves. If you love the tradition of elf on the shelf, you can easily make your little ones any number of elves out of just one pattern, or maybe pick through some of our patterns and pick the best elf for each of your kiddywinks or grandchildren. We have a lovely range from a tiny tot little elf that travels around in a stocking tote, which is pretty adorable, I have to say, to a cheeky little elf that is more whimsical, and then to, I call them the enchanted elves, I'm pretty certain of that without looking it up. And then we have the BFF elf, who is just so huggable and lovable. Of course, we have Santa, or Father Christmas, as I like to call him, and he is fabulous. And just like with a lot of my holiday themed patterns, I like to be able to have it so that they're super versatile. So you can make him into a lumberjack. So he's good all year round. He's also particularly good for making lookalike dolls for daddies with a lot of facial hair. And then of course I have Mrs. Claus. She's really lovely. She makes a fantastic grandma, regardless of the time of year. And of course, she's also super versatile, and you can make her into Heidi. So yeah, I love them as a couple. They look so cute, but you can also use the patterns at other times of the year. And then I have a bunch of reindeers, and reindeers seem to be really in with babies. They still are. They've always been in that woodland sort of scenery, like scenery. Yeah, they just look darling in cribs and made out of soft pastel colors. They're really sweet. So we have a number of them. We have a couple of smaller ones that are more sandwich based, and then we have larger dress up ones which are really pretty, and they are the size of a regular dolly. And they're called the cute caribous. They are absolutely gorgeous, and they're probably our #1 seller in reindeers. Oh, we have a Christmas tree even. That's really cute in the Quick Kids. You should definitely check out the Quick Kids range for very fast stocking stuffers. They're great for little craft fairs or gifts for classrooms, and we have a whole range. We have a little mini Santa there as well, and yeah, just take a look at the Quick Kids Christmas section. I have some very cute gingerbread men and snowmen. The gingerbread men have a little secret that you can make them into Christmas puds if you like, which anyone from England or down under in Australia, I think that's a tradition in Australia as well. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but Christmas pud, it's wonderful. We also have some wonderful little angels, and then we also have our guardian angel, which is our Christmas tree topper, and she really is spectacular, and you can actually attach her to the top of your Christmas tree, which makes her super special. Just like with any of my patterns, you can reduce them down. If you're working on an embroidery machine, you can make the 4x4s and add a little loop to the top, and suddenly you've got cute little Christmas ornaments. I really like this tradition because you can give them a sweet little ornament each year, and then by the time they're a teen, they'll have a good set of ornaments made just by you. You can even put the date on the back of the ornament. The penguins are darling as ornaments. Oh my goodness, they look so cute. Plum fairy as well. I was trying to say angel again, but she's quite angelic, but we also have her. And you can also make the nutcracker, who looks like a soldier. He's great for decor, but he's also just really nice for little boys, and you can make him really colorful. And of course, we have the ballerina in our regular range, so if your little one is in a production this year, you could make the whole crew and cast. We also have a wonderful dress-up mouse you could make into the Rat King very easily. Little stockings, they're in the quick kid range again. I like the fact that you could easily incorporate a pocket onto the back of them and put a gift card into them. That makes it really super fun. Instead of just giving a gift card, they could either have it with an ornament or with a cute little stuffy. So have a moose, which is really cute. He comes with a lovely little scarf and he's quite festive. I could just see him up in a log cabin, chilling away. The moose works with the Frozen range and our snowman, and there's been some amazing custom fan art dolls made. If you need inspiration, you know, Disney Frozen look, please do pop over to the Dolls and Daydreams Facebook group and give it a search. It is a great gift to give your little ones. The hippo. Now the hippo it's not a tradition I was aware of. If you don't know it, I recommend you Googling the song. I believe it's All I Want for Christmas is a Hippopotamus. So cute and adorable in little Christmas hats. So yeah, check them out, they're darling too. And then of course we do have some Yetis and some fun, sort of more winter themed patterns in the holiday section there. Just because really, I just think, why not have a Christmas Yeti? I just think it's fun. Pop on the website, go down to the drop-down menus under either sewing patterns or embroidery machine patterns. You'll see the full range. It is great fun. It really gets you into the festive mood. And on that note, I want to say a very, very happy holidays to everybody. Merry Christmas, and I hope all of you and your families have a wonderful festive time this year. Take care and happy sewing.